How to enable dark mode on Snapchat Android. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can enable dark mode on Snapchat Android. Firstly, on your device, open the Snapchat app. In Snapchat, you will land to the recording page just like this. Make sure you are logged in to your account. At the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. After that, your profile menu just like this will open. From your profile menu, go to your settings. To access your settings, tap on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are in the settings, scroll down. Scroll down until you find the option App Appearance. You will see App Appearance option right above the My Reports option. Click on App Appearance. Now inside there are three options: Always Light, Always Dark, and Custom App Theme. To enable dark mode, tap on Always Dark and click on Restart Now. After restarting, your dark mode will be enabled. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.